Duplicate content means 2 or more pages, on your website or across the web, that are nearly or completely identical. It's not usually a penalty issue, but it can cause confusion for search engines. If multiple pages say the same thing, Google may not know which one to show in results, so your visibility can suffer. It can happen by accident, for example by copying product descriptions from suppliers, repeating the same content on location pages, or having both HTTP and HTTPS versions indexed. To fix it, use original wording where possible. Add a canonical tag to signal the preferred version, or merge similar pages into one strong, useful page. You don't need to rewrite everything from scratch, but you do need to show Google which page deserves to rank. Subscribe for more SEO tips and visit bottletopcreative.com for help creating unique content that works.